here we have the MEOW PC. Check it out. We saw this at I think Computex last year.
Yeah.
But it's grown to a kind of really almost cult status, right? People love this kind of stuff. So you got the whole keyboard set up there. You got the mouse. I got this case here with the system. Of course, I love the magnetic dust guard. Check it out. You know, you can just pop that on, and this here. I always wondered if it's an LCD screen or it's just a kind of.
Actually, it's just a kind of just a like light graphic.
Yeah, like graphics. So can you change the display or the graphics?
Now but we're trying to in the future maybe.
Comes off. Does it come off?
But it's just like case only. Yeah.
But maybe in the future you could have.
Yeah, maybe in the future we'll try.
Maybe have an LCD screen, or maybe where you can change your design.
Exactly.
But I do like these though.
Like especially like the power buttons right here.
It's like almost like a Game Boy. Yeah,
because last time people asked me, I just press it, just like turn it off.
Yeah.
And another one.
The other version.
Yeah, this version is the brand new version.
New version.
Yeah, it's a brand new MEOW gaming PC.
Yep.
So it's come with a fully set up.
Full-size ETX motherboard.
Yes.
Yep.
And it comes with the 5060 Ti and the A5.
And you also have the front glass panel here, which looks at all the components, which is nice. And also, I noticed though, you have the audio and cooler with the port design. Go and check that out. This is really interesting. The port design on the audio and cooler. I like that. Yeah. Right. So the case is your own colorful case, right?
Yes.
And glass panels, very nice. And the graphics are already included, right?
Yeah, the graphic, everything's included, even the fan as well. Because some of the people don't come with the fan, but this one comes with the fans.
The fans, notice the fans, it's got the ring on there. Also the port design kind of on each of the corners, which makes it really unique. So very, very well thought out PC, good design. I like the theme as well. That's really nice. So yeah, all the MEOW setup, including your
and accessories like a pillow,
keyboard,
the cob, mugs, like so everything. We're trying this. One of the accessory brand as well. And another PC is this one, the MES26A. This one, it comes with a little bit like a wooden texture outside with a ring on it.
It's got a wooden accents, and also the kind of it's like a nice.
Front panel, it's really front panel. But this one just like the texture.
So these are all pre-built, ready to go, right?
Yes, exactly. You haven't we will be announcing pretty soon in the future as well.
Okay, nice.
Let's move on to the next part. So we just talk about the PC, like the whole setup. So let's look at the things individually. So this is our MEOW PC section. We come with the notebook. That's the MEOW PC notebook.
MEOW PC notebook?
Yeah, that's a MEOW notebook. There's a little power on the keyboard as well. And even on the back over there, it's like with a pole as well.
Oh, it's got a nice design. Yep.
Yeah. And the next one is this one. It's our R16 Ultra. On the back of it, it comes with the CNC cuts with the MEOW texture. It looks really, really nice.
Yeah, laser cut CNC.
Yeah.
So it's like solid metal, right? Nice.
It's really solid, to be honest.
Yeah. I like the design of this. Very nice.
Yeah, that's our MEOW series of the laptop. Yeah.
Then you got the
and then we got the graphic cards here. 2 different graphic cards.
And we also have the RAM. We've got the RAM right here, the MEOW design. The MEOW design. RGB strip on the top, of course. Very nice. And this is one of the motherboards?
Yeah, that's a BA50M MEOW Wi-Fi. It's a brand new motherboard this year for the MEOW series. Because last year we don't have an actual motherboard for the MEOW series, but right now we have it. Yeah, we do have it now.
Very nice.
And we just talk about the MEOW series because people like the MEOW series, right?
Yeah.
So we even AI-generated a series movie. With a 10 series movie right here with a full of MEOW series.
So you AI-generated a movie?
AI-generated, a movie. It's like a little small TV series. And it will be available on YouTube in the future.
Really?
Yeah, they come with 10 series.
Oh, amazing, amazing. So watch out for that, guys. MEOW series on YouTube. AI generated.